nagkaroon na ba ng passionate discussion or hindi pagkakaunawaan mag-asawa because of our individuality and uniqueness? Bakit di natin pag-usapan yung mga tinatawag na myth, haka-haka, gawa-gawa, or kathang-isip lamang?
Unang myth that a healthy and strong marriage relationship is easy.
Agree or disagree?
Tama ba o hindi? Ano
Lagi.
sa tingin ninyo? As much as we want to, bilang mag-asawa, we make the mistake of believing that a relationship will just come naturally without doing anything daw. As long as they are meant to be together. Hindi natin kinokontra to. Dahil talaga naman, kaya mo nga pinakasalan yung asawa mo. Kasi nga, you are meant to be together forever. You know, when you get married, working inside the marriage, as long as there is breath, you need to take an active role in nurturing a marriage relationship. Kasi nga, marriage is heart work. As you go along,